Hello, today I'll be demonstrating how to apply input parameters and return types to a class in a class diagram. We'll be using Dia for this. So for my example, I've created a class called Camera, and it's going to have two attributes, battery life and shutter speed. They're both decimals, 5.3, I guess that's percentage, and this is seconds or something. So to set up, first we're gonna set up the operations. So we'll start with battery life. So this will be, we want to get the battery life. So we'll ask for the battery life. So we'll create a name of an operation called get battery life, and then to specify the return type, if that's what we're trying to do, in type, I'm just going to add the type that we expect to return, which will be the same type as what the attributes type is. So yeah, so we'll expect to get the type, so that makes sense. Okay, cool. Next up, we're gonna do input parameter. So I'll create an operation, and this one will be to set the shutter speed. So we'll do a new operation, and I'll call it set shutter speed. And now here, I want to set an input parameter that tells us that like, you know, the user is going to enter some number of seconds, and that'll set the value for the shutter speed attribute in this class. So to do that, down here in parameters, when you have the operation selected, you hit new, and then for type, you'll just do the exact same type as the attribute type. So it'll be decimal 4,2, and that way we know that when a user wants to set shutter speed, that's basically the parameter that they input. And then when we hit apply, we see that Dia creates the operations and makes it look nice. So with get battery life, it knows to put a colon and then decimal 5.3 to that shows what the return type is. And then for set shutter speed, in the parentheses, it shows decimal 4.2, and that is how it shows what the input parameter is. So yeah, I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching. Good night, or good day, good whatever. Bye.